Okay, we're going to talk about writing linear functions. This is pretty much just like writing linear equations. We look as find the initial value of a function. The initial value is essentially just it's when x equals 0, which is the y-intercept. So all these, so initial value is the same as y-intercept. Just another way to ask it when you're talking about functions. When we're going to write an equation of linear functions, once you've determined the rate of change, which is also the slope, and the initial value, which is the y-intercept, you can write it in y equals mx plus b form. The rate of change is m, the slope, and the initial value is the y-intercept. So y equals mx plus b. M is slope, or rate of change, and b is y-intercept, or initial value. This wants us to determine and interpret the rate of change in the initial value, then write the equation y equals mx plus b form. So Water Park charges a rental fee of $1.50 per hour to rent inflatable rafts. A rental fee plus $1.50 per hour, sorry. The total cost to rent a raft is $6, or for 6 hours is $15. Assume the relationship is linear. So first we have to figure out how much the rental fee is. So we have $1.50 times the hours. Well, we know 6 hours plus a rental fee is $15. So we're going to solve that. 150 times 6 is 9, plus r equals 15. Subtract 9 from both sides, and r equals 6. So $6 is my rental fee. So we have hourly cost is $1.50, and rental fee is $6. So our hourly cost, that's our slope, slash rate of change, and then rental fee is our y-intercept slash, initial value. So y equals mx plus b. It's y equals $1.50x plus 6. Okay, this one is with a table. So Melissa frosted some cupcakes in the morning for a party. The table shows the total number of cupcakes frosted after she starts up after lunch. Assume the relationship between the two quantities is linear. So first what we're going to have to do is find our slope, which remember slope is y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So this is my x1, x2, y1, y2. So I have 32 minus 28 over 10 minus 5, which is 4/5. So my slope is 4/5. So if I take that, and I plug that in, 4/5 x, we don't know what b is, so we're going to take, what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these values, so we'll take the 5 and plug that in for x and see what we get for y. So we want it to equal 28. We want it to equal 28. So we have 4/5 times 5 over 1, which those cross cancel. We get 4 equals 28, which is not true, so you have to add 24. So we get 28 equals 28. The 24 is what we have to, 24 is our b, or our initial value. So we have y equals mx plus b. Y equals 4/5 x plus 24. And that says she makes 4/5 cupcakes per minute. And then that also says that she started with 24 after